Oh no! Oh no! I don't want to play. I don't want to play this game anymore. This is a bad game.
Oh my gosh, this is freakier than I thought it was going to be. Because you don't know which side it's on. You know, it's like right now I could be getting bit.
What is that?
Did you decide that? Nobody told me.
Oh no! What is up, fam? Welcome to another different type of adventure, if you will. We are at Gatorland, and we are going to do a What's in the Box challenge here at Gatorland with my friend Brian Barczyk.
Oh yeah.
And James, aka the fam. Are we in trouble?
You're in trouble.
Oh great. This is not my thing, and I am actually not excited about this video, but let's just do this. Picked a good one for Glenn.
Glenn, have you ever been bitten by a snake before?
Yeah.
Have you? Okay, then you're fine then.
Hell no, I ain't doing this. Alright. Glenn's going first.
I am too.
Can we pick which hand he puts in first?
Okay, no peeking.
No cheating.
I've put my hand in some strange places before.
Never this strange.
Not this strange.
Whatever. I wouldn't go that. Be careful on that left side.
Just, I wouldn't put a finger. Yeah, don't put your
fingers together.
That's actually a good. Yeah, that's good.
Anything that's smaller than this, it will eat.
Oh, what a savage!
This guy's got. Do you have like cold water in your veins or
You got
what?
it by the head.
What is it? Oh.
I'd say, I reckon that's a big bullfrog or something.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Yes.
Want to take him home with you? Let me see.
Is that thing awesome?
He's
or
beautiful.
What? Oh my gosh.
What kind of frog is it?
That's a big.
cane
Yeah, it's a big
toad.
cane
Oh,
toad.
wow.
Her name is Miss Stubbs.
Miss Stubbs.
One of my coworkers named it after his kid's teacher, and then he said that he likes that teacher. I'm not sure how that works.
Give me a kiss.
Oh.
You just get turned into a princess, though. Only when it's true love, all right?
Oh, okay. That's what it is. James is next, and he is nervous. James is blind, anyways. You won't be able to see it.
They brought the cane toads over to Australia to try and kill these beetles, right? Sugarcane beetles.
Yeah.
And they didn't realize that they were poisonous. So when anything eats them, they die. So the crocodiles eat them, they die. So here's how smart crocodiles are. Now they only eat their back legs. They don't eat the pods with the poison. They've learned over time
Whoa.
that if they eat the whole thing, they die. So now they only snatch off the back.
Does the back grow back?
No, they die.
No peeking.
All right.
Brian said he picked this one special.
Because I feel like... Never mind.
Oh no!
I mean, it's rear fangs.
Oh gosh!
They'd have to really chew on them to get the venom in there.
Unless you're allergic, you're going to be fine.
Oh.
Look it! How cute!
I like how she's standing up.
This sucks.
Okay, fun game, guys.
Go high.
Wait, do I really gotta touch it?
Yeah.
Whoa, this is so good.
Oh, it's got his mouth open. It's got his mouth open.
It watched his hand.
Look
how it's looking at his hand.
Oh!
You know what? You're giving it way too much time to think.
Yo, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate.
No.
You guys suck.
Is that a lizard?
No.
Think of a lizard. I know a lizard.
Keep feeling.
It's not that little.
You're just.
Why is it not
You're gonna
moving?
piss it off. He keeps like touching it.
This is this little pet,
You just keep poking it.
Oh my! Alright, I touched it.
You gotta guess what it is now.
A lizard.
What kind of lizard?
Those teeth.
Gotta pick it up.
Is it even real?
Pick it up.
It's not even moving.
Everything we're using is real.
It's moving. It's moving its head. It's just not moving its body.
Pick it up.
Not moving.
What is that? Alright, that's it.
No, pick it up.
What do you mean pick it
You
up?
gotta pick it up.
Yeah.
Reach underneath it.
Suck.
And she looks so cute
Oh
too.
god. It's like stuffed animal. I'm gonna beat you guys.
Does it feel like it's stuck on?
Yeah. No.
Put your hands underneath.
What do you mean, touch underneath?
Yeah, just reach under it.
Oh, wait a minute. That might not be good.
I'm gonna go from this side.
Not that hand. Oh my god.
Now you're just making it mad.
Now you're just making it mad.
What's the blue tentacle for? What is that?
Oh no, I think it stings.
Okay, it doesn't move.
Pick it up then.
Yeah, just pick it up.
Okay.
Don't pick it up by the butt.
You're good.
What the hell?
I don't know, but she looks like she's been working out.
Alright, I'm done. What is it?
All right, come look.
Oh, what a cutie.
Chop.
I wasn't afraid of you.
Oh,
That was a good one. That was a good one. Oh gosh.
Omar, you're up.
okay, I'm next.
Alright.
Sometimes when I get bored during these overnight challenges, I do play with my phone a lot. And here's one game that I love playing. It's called War Dragons. And this is my village right here that other dragons can try to attack. They might get their butts kicked. And that's my team right there on the left. OMG fam. Oh, those flaming arrows are killer. Yeah, we won. Now you do get a little bit more XP if you have a team and you attack together, which is another reason why I'm sharing this awesome footage with you. This game is so much fun. This is my team right here, and there's only one member, which is just me. So yeah, I'm a little bit lonely. Why don't you add me? I'll see you guys on War Dragons. I guess it's my turn, and I am a little nervous. I have a feeling it's gonna be something that I am deathly afraid of. So I'm gonna pass the camera to Glenn, okay?
Mine.
Here we are, waiting in anticipation.
What? Oh my god!
Oh
I
my.
can't believe you brought that.
This is legit. Hang on a second here. Hang on. It's going to take a few seconds to get ready.
Is the box big enough?
I'm gonna pee my pants. Bro, he could lose his fingers with that, no?
Not his whole finger.
Just keep recording if it happens.
Bro, that
Okay.
Okay.
You should hurry though.
Yeah, you should hurry.
If you give her time to don't give her time to think.
Oh, okay. That's a snake, isn't it? No,
It's not a snake.
no, that's a snake.
It's not a snake. It's not a snake.
You gotta guess better than that.
Oh, I touched it.
It's a reptile. It's just not a snake.
Not a snake.
Oh no! Oh, what in the hell? I don't want to touch it. Oh no! Alright, can I see it?
No, you gotta pick it up.
Touch it.
You gotta pick it up.
No! Oh!
Oh, her
Oh
my gosh. Her head is right by
Where's the
your
head?
hand
Where's
every
the head?
time.
Where's the head?
It's on this side.
See if you can feel it.
Why'd you make it?
Oh, that's a big snake. That's a really big snake.
Nah.
Okay, it's a dragon. Dragon?
Left side. Put your left hand in there.
Right here?
No, the other hand.
Yeah, the other hand in.
No.
Yeah, and reach towards the back of the box.
Yeah. Like by your inner leg.
I don't trust you.
No, the other leg.
Oh, that's so big!
That's
No!
what she said.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I gotta pee.
Wait, you want to see it?
Oh! Oh, you're cute.
You want to give it a kiss?
You can't kiss the butt. That's gross. Here, you got to kiss the front. Look, you got to be careful. This thing uses a lot of tongue. You might have to use yours too, okay?
No. Go ahead. I don't want to kiss the mouth.
You'll be fine.
No.
Kiss it.
Do it, man.
No, I'm
Just
good.
kiss
I'll
it.
kiss it back here. No, it's big.
Don't kiss her belly. Females don't like to be touched on the belly, right?
No, I'm good. Give me a kiss. See? I'm just gonna pet it. There, okay. I really gotta pee.
It's a good range. It's a good range.
I think I gotta do something else too.
He took one for the team.
I did. Can you feel my pulse here? I thought it was like a venomous snake. They said to go hardcore on Brian. So yeah, he's fearless. Yo, I'm never gonna say that you're a punk or like a wuss. Like, I know you're afraid of heights and stuff, but dude, Give it up for Brian.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna say he went on the thing.
Yeah, I did. I went on that. Remember?
Yeah.
When I went on the
You
zip
did?
line.
You went up there? I saw you up there.
Dude, he was
You went
the
after
first zip liner, man. I didn't even get to, like, he went so fast, like my drone missed it, man.
Zip, 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 zip.
Is there an animal that you are afraid of?
No.
Nothing.
Nothing. I mean, literally, there's not anything in the world as far as animals I fear. I mean, I just love them all. I mean, and what the truth is that when I get into something that's really sketchy, like you know, the most deadly. As a matter of fact, yesterday I was playing with the most deadly snake on the planet. It's called an inland taipan, and it's like my heart rate actually drops, and I get super calm.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's the opposite of what happened on the zip line.
Look at all these cool animals, but this one caught my eye. I love that. It's a lion back there.
Yeah, it's all Africa on this side, and then I'm starting Australia on the other side. It goes all the way down to a leopard here.
You have a great artist.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
That's a lot of work right there.
Yeah.
So we're doing round 2 with Mr. Glenn.
All right, guys, this is messed up right here.
This is messed up.
This is I didn't do this one.
This is messed up.
This is
What is that? Oh no! Oh no! Don't do this for. No, Glenn's gonna have a heart attack. Oh no! Oh no! I don't want to play. I don't want to play this game anymore. This is a bad game. This is a bad game, bro.
All right, Glenn, you up, buddy?
Okay, Glenn, you need to be super careful, okay?
This is a gentle.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, your mom got this one.
No!
You gotta go all the way down and then in to feel for it.
I wouldn't make any sudden moves, like a drastic move.
I feel really bad for Glenn. This one's bad.
Really bad. I thought the snake was bad.
Oh.
Did we decide that? Because nobody told me.
Oh no.
We did, but I didn't really
But
listen.
you know, I'm not your boss. Don't worry.
All the
So
way
you
in
gotta
to the
listen to
bottom.
me.
Hey, so this guy's kind of fragile though.
Yeah, so be really
Mate,
careful.
I'm fragile.
Well, I don't want you to hurt this animal
Pretend like
too.
it's a baby bird.
Yeah, baby bird.
No, we're good.
Baby bird.
Oh, God.
Oh
All the
my
way down to the
goodness.
bottom.
I can feel heat coming out of the box.
Oh yeah.
It's probably really hot.
Yeah,
There
we
is
keep
heat.
them warm.
Yeah, it's ooh.
Oh, you kids.
all the way down.
Oh, please, God, no.
Your left hand is pretty warm. Like, come down a little bit.
There you go.
Yeah, a
A little over.
little bit more over. There, your left hand's closer. You're like an inch away. Yeah, get closer.
Almost
He's
there.
so
Towards the
good.
center, towards the center.
There it
There you
goes.
go. There you go.
There it
Go
goes.
from the top.
Oh!
Try to stay under it.
More towards the back, towards you now.
Look at the box breaking through.
Oh,
Pick him up.
Oh yeah, pick him up. There you go. No way. What a savage.
What?
Now he knows what it is. He knows what it is. He knows what it is. What is it?
it's a tarantula.
Oh, pick it up.
I think he doesn't want to move his hand.
Uh,
Frozen.
Frozen with excitement, right?
Oh god.
oh my
He doesn't know
gosh.
what to do.
You have it in your hand, bro.
Oh, what?
You have it in your hand.
Nice.
Oh,
Savage!
what a savage.
Crazy, man.
No way!
What in the heck, dude?
Nah, not me, bro. Hello. Wow, Glenn. I got a whole new respect for you, bro.
Me too.
This guy's crazy, man. Where'd you find this guy?
I don't know. Me and Omar are like crying over here.
Oh my gosh. I would have, yeah, I would have had a heart attack.
Gosh.
Oh, it's like a f***ing crab.
Oh, it's really tickly. It's nice.
Don't they shoot like hairs at you or something?
They can
If they're
flick
they're
hairs,
irritated,
but,
but he's not irritated.
yeah.
He's just
You'll be able to
chilling.
see it too.
Yeah, they just flip these back hairs here, and they, you know, it's about getting in predator's eyes is what it is, so that it irritates.
Yeah, like you can legit go blind if those hairs go in your eyes, Glenn. So be careful.
Could it reverse blindness?
do tarantula. That was no line. We decided not to do tarantula because we were afraid that one, you could hurt the tarantula, but two, it starts sloughing off those hairs and it gets on. It's like fiberglass.
Yeah, it itches.
Yeah, it's very uncomfortable.
Can we go in there?
Afterward, yeah.
Yeah.
We have all
Oh,
kinds
cool.
of stuff in there.
So there's all kinds of cool animals in there.
Bobcats friendly.
Yes. Yeah.
Do you have bobcats in there too?
Yeah, right next to
Yeah, man.
Oh, I didn't see the bobcats.
Those doing tricks.
Oh, neato.
They're taking too long.
They are taking a while,
That
man.
makes me.
They're picking a good one for you, dude. Let's go see what they're doing over here. Let's go see what's in there.
I was up against this rat over here and getting excited.
They are getting something really bad for James right now. This is why I'm not playing this game anymore. This is a bad one. Put it this way. They're trying to catch it. And it won't stay still. And they're trying to be careful. You know what they're getting? Mike just said that there's going to be a lot of cussing going on with this next
the
one.
Audio's going to be interrupted with beep, 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 beep.
Poor James.
I'm done.
Oh, too late. Hey, turn around.
Turn around, Johnny.
He's looking. Hold
we have to
on.
look hard for this. You know, it was like we didn't want it to hurt too bad, but we wanted it to hurt a little bit.
Oh. Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh.
That's a good one.
All right, my man.
Can I get a hint?
You ready?
Sure.
Yeah, you want to come over here and do it quickly so it's over with.
The hint is this.
It's a good hint.
It's not a 12-foot crocodile.
Careful.
I just
Yeah,
go
don't just
for
go
it.
throwing
Just
your
go
hands
for
in
it.
there.
I just go for it like that. Heavy on the left hand.
Why am I doing this?
I hope it bites him.
It's good.
Just because I like you.
It's not at the top. It's
The
not,
head-
it's not at the top of the box.
The head is on your right side.
So it's pretty low.
Oh.
Real low.
Low.
Low, 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 low.
Low.
How much lower?
Right to the
Oh,
bottom.
it's
Just be gentle.
Oh, Pete, you should have brought the hook out.
Right here?
Yep. Yeah, just put your hand down there. You're close.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
Left hand. Heavy on the left hand.
It's moving. I don't like it when it moves.
It's trying to escape.
You gotta grab it.
All right, what kind of snake is that?
It's an Everglades rat snake.
I knew it was a rat snake, but it looked too like red.
Get over here.
Most of the rat snakes around here are yellow, but they have
Yeah,
those
they're
same
yellow
marks.
when they're younger.
That's right.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
We have two native to this area. We have the orange one with the red saddles on its back. That's the red rat snake. And then we have the yellow one Savannah's talking about with the black stripes down its back. That's the yellow. This is what they look like in the Everglades.
Yeah, it's a cool color.
I actually want to hold them. So I'm actually a snake lover. I just don't like big snakes because I don't know. Ever since that movie Anaconda came out, you ever seen that movie? I used to have a California king snake. If you're wanting a good snake for a pet, the corn snakes are great. Ball pythons are great. Great starter snakes. They're very reluctant to biting, but if they do bite, they kind of. This guy's cute though, and he's pretty tame. Now, what do they eat?
Rats, mice, frogs,
Rodents.
whatever's yummy and fits in their mouth.
What's his name?
I don't think this one's been.
OmarGosh.
Yeah, we can name him Omar.
You can name him Omar.
His name's Omar.
That's it, forever and ever.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cool. So they're gonna name him Omar. He didn't have a name, so hey, I like that name. He's cool. How old is Omar?
This one was actually given to us. A lot of our animals are just kind of dropped off here because people don't want to take care of them anymore. And
Oh,
we're
man.
kind of like the reptile hub of Orlando, so we're more than happy to, try and help these animals find a new home. But
That's cool.
I think this guy caught our attention, and we were just kind of wowed by him. We're like, we got to hang on to this one and keep
Yeah,
it.
he's nice.
So, do you have any pet anacondas that you don't want anymore?
No,
These guys are-
Drop them off at the front at the gator mouth,
Oh,
please.
no.
Good job, Peter.
We're the ones that got to reach in the box.
No, we want more.
All right, we got one more to do, guys. Omar has one left to do.
Yeah, you got it.
Yep, come on, you can't wuss out. Yep, all
All
right.
right, fine.
I don't even know what we have left.
Do it for the vlog.
Okay, so I decided to just bite the bullet and do the second.
Dead man walking.
I just, man, I don't know, man. I don't like what Glenn got. That really freaked me out, man.
I'm glad you did get that one, Glenn, actually.
You know what? I'm more scared of spiders than I wouldn't have touched him. These guys are mean. These guys are mean. Not them, but they're gonna pick out something. I know they're gonna pick out something bad.
Okay.
Bro, I'm so good. Oh, this is great. Bro, this is great.
I like those.
Yeah, they're cool, huh?
Those,
Oh, this was great. This is fantastic. This is what this game's all about.
Come on.
Oh, I don't like you guys.
Dead man
I don't want to
walking.
play this game
You know,
anymore.
there's a big difference, Brian. You can probably testify to this. There's a big difference in these guys here in the United States versus where they come from.
Oh yeah.
Where they come from, they are super aggro.
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah.
Very much so.
What
I've
are you
gotten-
saying this one isn't? Because
No.
look, his mouth is open.
Well,
He
I'm
looks
just
pretty,
saying, I've gotten bitten several times
It hurts.
by those.
It hurts badly.
Yeah, it does.
I don't believe you.
Okay.
No, that's serious.
I've seen
That's
it.
serious.
It's not a snake.
It's not a snake.
A big snake.
It's not any
I
snake.
mean, I can handle little snakes.
It's not any kind of snake.
It's a
Not a
reptile.
big snake. It is
Reach
a
in the
reptile.
box. Just get in
Come on,
there.
man.
Come
Just
on. You
get
got
in
this.
there.
You
This
can
down
do
to
it.
nothing.
It's not gonna hurt you.
You can do it, man.
It's better than the snake. I mean, it's better than the spider.
Oh, straight to the head.
Oh, that's the head? That's the head? I don't believe you. The head's over here.
Straight to the head. Oh, his tongue's out now.
You woke it up.
What is that?
Oh. Whoa.
Come on, man, you got
It's
it.
freaking me out.
You got this, man. You can do it.
That's crazy.
What is that? Okay.
Bro, you
I'm
gotta
done.
be savage. No,
I'm
you gotta
done.
be savage and go
No, I'm
slow.
gonna
Pick
look-
it up. No.
Ah! No,
You cheated.
no. I heard of those eating some guy to death one time. It was in that show, 1,000 Ways to Die.
Oh.
Yeah, they ate a guy. It's a true story. You can see it on YouTube.
So is that considered a lizard? In the
It
lizard
is a
family?
lizard. They're one of the skinks are actually one of the closest living relatives to snakes,
Okay.
and you can use them as the perfect example to show you the difference between a snake and the lizard. And everybody immediately jumps to the legs.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, there are skinks with no legs. The defining feature of a lizard are actually the ears.
Right, okay.
So you can see the holes in the back of his head. That's what makes him a lizard. There are no snakes on the entire planet that have ears.
Right.
There are just a handful of lizards that don't have ears, but they're called the earless lizards. So they're even named specifically
Yeah.
for that trait. But yes, that's what makes him a lizard. Supposedly very intelligent. I've seen people using a lot of different enrichment toys with them in their
Right.
cage.
Wow.
Stuff like what you would see in a hamster cage or
Yeah.
a bird cage.
Yeah.
Little mirrors and toys and bells
Yeah.
for them to ring. And the slow worms will actually
Yeah.
move them about their enclosures.
Wow.
In my experience, when you give them an opportunity to do something, they will take that stimulus and
Yeah,
use it.
of course,
Even if it is a lizard, and he does have his tiny lizard brain in there, he still likes change.
Yeah. A long time ago.
We have Omar walking back from the box. His bowels opened up
later are you guys going to be here?
very quickly.
I'll do it.
Yeah, come on. We have Savannah. Pick one for Savannah.
Tell Mike that you'll do it. Because I was like, I don't
She's
understand
like,
why
yeah.
you won't just take it.
So Savannah has no idea this turtle could take a chunk out of her finger.
And this is the
Yo, those things bite good, huh?
Yeah, they're made for crushing clams and snails, so fingers are definitely an easy target.
I don't know what you guys could have possibly put in there that I'm afraid of. Because I'm not really afraid of anything.
Probably
Commitment.
And
It's a wedding ring.
I think the scary part is not being able to see. Right?
it
Like
way
that's
is.
Oh, you're bad.
That's not nice.
That's savage.
I wouldn't do the left hand.
okay, so it's not a snake.
How do you know?
Because if it was a snake, it'd be bigger.
Really?
I mean, I think.
How do you know it's not coiled up?
That was crazy.
I tell you, it's crazy.
Oh no! What was that? Did I touch it?
I don't
know.
I feel like I kind of did, but I'm not sure.
Gotta feel around it.
You're on its foot.
You don't know what it is?
I haven't grabbed hold of it yet.
Just grab right there. Right there.
Oh yeah, move your pinky around too, right there. Oh.
What pinky?
On your right hand.
Do I have it backwards or forwards?
Yeah.
I can't. Okay, so it's some kind of turtle, maybe? Is it a red-eared slider? No? Is it a mud turtle?
Close.
I think she like wants it to bite her or something.
Is it a snapping turtle?
I'll go back the other direction.
Close.
SHOUTOUTS. Hey, buddy!
Picking it up and it had its mouth open.
He loves you.
Oh, he's good.
All right, you should give him a kiss now. There you go. Oh, he's got his mouth open now.
Hey, buddy! What is this kind of turtle? I don't know.
Loggerhead musk turtle.
Hey!
So, really cool. They're only found in springs and spring runs in the state of Florida. It's the only place in the world you can find this type of turtle.
Oh wow.
Oh, he's awesome.
That's awesome.
Can't believe it didn't bite her.
He doesn't seem to be a biting turtle.
Savannah is savage.
Yeah.
This
Now you guys
lake
know
back
what it
here.
feels like to shoot my videos where I try to get bit all the time. Man, that was a bummer. Oh my gosh, this is a crocodile, I bet, isn't it?
Nah.
Oh my gosh, this is freakier than I thought it was going to be. Because you don't know which side it's on. You know, it's like right now I could be getting bit.
Yep. You about to.
Ah! Do it! Do it! Do it! Oh. Oh. Where is it at? Where is it at? Oh!
There.
Oh, its mouth is open.
Oh, he's gonna bite his finger.
Do it! Do it! Ah! Oh, there it is. Oh. Where are you?
Pick him up.
Where are you?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, you got him.
Oh, yes.
Oh, monkey. Hey, his mouth isn't even open.
Savage.
Alligator. I was gonna snap my finger off.
No, we wouldn't do that to you.
Oh, yes, you would.
They
Yes,
wouldn't
you
let
would.
me.
I tried.
I tried really hard to.
Now his mouth is open.
Put your finger in there. Ow!
Oh!
Ow! He won't let go.
Wow.
Hello.
You gotta use the tickle technique. You ready? Watch this.
Ah.
Coochie coo.
Kuchuku.
Come on, I guess you taste good.
You guys ready? You want to try?
1 hour later. Are you ready? I'll get him off.
No, that's all right.
I got a new clickbait video.
Oh, he's cute.
My buddy Brian got bit by a gator.
Dude, he's legit bleeding too. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's got tons of teeth.
Now that there's the pinch.
Oh no.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, that's all right. You're right. Oh, he's still got my skin.
Oh my gosh.
How's the finger look?
Oh, it's fine.
He's like yummy.
Fine.
We might have to cut that off. Yeah,
Yeah,
don't
it's gonna
worry.
be.
Yeah,
No, it's fine. It's fine. It didn't even hardly really break the skin. I'm fine.
He's bleeding. And he's like, oh, that's cool. A big shout out to Gatorland for providing these really cool animals to entertain us and give us lots of love as well. Go check out Brian's channel. I'll leave a link in the description. And y'all know who this guy is. Check out his channel as well. He doesn't have a channel, but wish him well because he's going back to England really, really soon. And he had a great time. This was the highlight of his trip. Shout out to Savannah and all of Gatorland's employees that treated us with so much love. If you come visit Gatorland, ask for Savannah and also mention my name as well. I gotta go, but before you leave, give me a kiss. Peace.